CMG stock analysis. This is for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying or am I not? Watch this very short 1-minute video till the end, find out. First thing I want to mention is that Chipotle Mexican grill is just 5% down. Like, it's not the end of the world, but I'm still not gonna like randomly begin to get involved. Now I know like a lot of people like to overcomplicate stuff, but I would rather just stick to something that I've tested for 39,000 videos. And even with this in mind, it's been in this correction phase. Like most of the stocks, I absolutely get it, you know, it's just the season. And honestly, again, it depends the game that you're trying to play. Is it going to be a swing? Is it going to be intraday trade? But unless I see the price breaking, either giving me like a shift lower time frame or breaking above 52 bucks, this is just not something that I'm looking to further take up. I'm just being patient, right? Can I miss out? Sure. But again, I would just much rather stick to something that I've been testing for 5 years rather than trying to, you know, reinvent the wheel. Even though it's like once in a lifetime opportunity, I believe, right? So I'll see you in the next one. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, then just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.